Hello there. We're gonna make parfait today. Yeah. Whatever. That's an idea. I have. So it's been here for 3 days. Think you can. No, this one she's taste these and try it. Got that. Oh. For yourself. Simple. Blueberries, mason jar, honey, vanilla, milk, cinnamon, yogurt, and rolled oats. I don't think they're rolled, but whatever. We're gonna be doing an experiment today. Yeah, I'm just gonna try and put it. Same amount of water you put in, put in there. And try in the freezer. Right. And then come back later on. Come on. At 4 o'clock. But who cares? Just going to have blueberries to be exact, or what I have been. In this first one I made, I added a bit of creamer into it just recently, and strawberry. That's strawberry, so just do it as you want to. And there are no specific ways to make it hard function, but I'm not doing that. So if you want to figure that out, download Taste Yet. It's free. And it's the overnight blueberry oats, and there you go. Simple as that. 4 spoons of water. Spoon quite together. The first take it. I just jump it in there. That's just.
What's that? You get your ass up. Maybe wash some juice.
I'm not like eating. You don't want to be in here cooking and eating.
What the fuck?
I'm trying to record. Great distance away. There's no other way to do so. Sure gives flavored kind of yogurt, cause this is taste. Yeah. I just dump you in some oats. And when I've done so, let's make something out. And chunk there. Alright. Yeah, but do that. Red cents. Okay, and that is all the ingredients you need, and shout out to see their name on. I'm gonna put this in freezer for 1 day. That's it. That's all. Except for how to well, oh, that's on there. Step by step, what now? Just and that. Oh, see. And for the kiss. So, wasn't that sound ridiculous? It's on the Hasty app. You can't tell. Try this lady is back. I'll put their names in the description. Look up overnight oats and blueberry should be their first option. Names are they're not have a name to it. Shoot. But this time you need 1/3 a cup of rolled oats or milk. You need 1/3 of a cup of milk of your choice. 1/4 of a cup of vanilla green. This for one serving, by the way. 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Optional chia seeds. 1.5 teaspoons. Cinnamon 1/4. And that's at 1 teaspoon. And that's at maple as you want. And graham crackers, crushed graham crackers, 1/8 of a cup. Then after what you gotta do in a mason jar or any type of sealable container. Add the milk, add the oats, milk, yogurt, that's everything. Better together and seal and place it in the refrigerator overnight for 5 days. And if you want to top with this, then enjoy. Did not have a name to it, so yeah. Oh, well, that's the video. I'll see you tomorrow. And goodbye.